Among the quiet woodlands, orchards, and farmlands of Pakistan lives one of the most unusual members of the woodpecker family, the Eurasian Wryneck. Unlike its woodpecker relatives, the Eurasian Wryneck rarely drums on tree trunks. Instead, it spends much of its time on the ground, searching carefully for one of its favorite foods, ants. Using its long, sticky tongue, it probes soil and leaf litter to capture hundreds of ants in a single feeding session. At first glance, the Wryneck can be surprisingly difficult to spot. Its beautifully patterned brown and gray plumage perfectly mimics tree bark, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This remarkable camouflage is its first line of defense against predators. But when threatened, the Eurasian Wryneck reveals its most fascinating behavior. It begins twisting and turning its head in a snake-like motion while hissing softly, a display that gives the bird its name, Wryneck. This strange act is meant to confuse and intimidate potential predators. In Pakistan, the Eurasian Wryneck is mainly a winter visitor, arriving from breeding grounds across Europe and Central Asia. During the colder months, it can be found in open woodlands, agricultural landscapes, parks, and even large gardens. Despite its secretive nature, the presence of this bird tells an important story about healthy ecosystems. Ant-rich soils, old trees with natural cavities, and undisturbed green spaces all help support this remarkable species. As winter passes and spring approaches, the Eurasian Wryneck quietly prepares for its long journey back to its breeding grounds, leaving behind only brief memories for the keen observers lucky enough to encounter it. A mysterious traveler, a master of camouflage, and one of the most fascinating birds visiting Pakistan each winter.